Dennis with Denlors and Wise Auto Tools. One of the common questions that we have about Ford Sparkplug thread repair is actually it starts off as being I have my vehicle in the shop and they say I need to replace the head and it's going to cost me $3,000 or $4,000. Well, one of the following questions that come up after that is, what can I do? Can I repair the threads in the vehicle? Do I have to replace the head? And a lot of times the vehicle owners themselves will go online and do some research and find us. One of the kits that we sell a lot of is the TimeCert 5600, and this one is a triple oversized thread repair. We have several different options though, different sizes depending on how big the hole is. But in most cases the head doesn't have to be replaced. One exception to that would be if the if compression has leaked around a previous repair, like a part store insert, and has elongated the hole. If that's happened, then it's possible that it may not be able to be repaired, but a lot of times the 5600 is able to still do the repair if it hasn't been driven like that for very long. So if you have questions on Ford Sparkplug thread repair or any other type repair, aluminum engine repair, like for the head bolts, oil pans, so forth like that, have any application questions or technical questions, you can always give me a call at 800-734-8665, and my extension is 251.